Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. I'm here in Ash Lane, part of the Longbrook Estates condominiums in Agawam, Massachusetts, an FHA-approved complex. Outside, we do have a one-car garage, very difficult to find at this price point. Inside, a very spacious condo. We've got 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a beautiful partially finished basement. I think it could make a great 3rd bedroom, office, maybe a home exercise area. Come on and follow me inside and let's go check out all of my favorite features. Well, I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 12 Ash Lane in beautiful Agawam, Massachusetts. If you have any additional questions about the property or would like to schedule a private tour, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for a condo here in Agawam that's got a garage and 2 beds under $200,000 that's FHA approved, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.